that one place in your house you pretend that doesn't actually exist? Yeah, the cabinet under the sink. That dark, mysterious place of cleaning sprays, 5 half-empty bottles, and a Rouge bottle cap from 2012. Well, today we're organizing it, because adulting is basically 80% about winning small battles against clutter. So here's our hero, the under-sink organizer. Heavy-duty metal, adjustable, slide-out shelves. Basically the superhero your under-sink's been waiting for. It's like basically giving your under-sink a gym membership and a life coach. Think of it as a 2-tier spa day for your stuff. Cleaning supplies finally get in their own section. Everyone has a home finally. Quick story, every time I used to reach for one cleaner, I'd play dominoes with every other item in there. It was like a mini avalanche of chaos. But now, I glide that shelf out like a pro organizer on a mission. Honestly, the setup was a breeze. If I can do it without turning my kitchen into a hardware zone, anyone can. This little thing is a multitasking beast, not just under the kitchen sink. You can use it in the bathroom, laundry room, or even the office if your supplies is plotting a revolt. Now the benefits? It's a space saver supreme. Fits perfectly in awkward places. It has a slide out feature. No more playing reach for the bottle in the back. It's heavy duty but sleek. It actually makes the inside of your cabinet look aesthetic. It has adjustable height, tall bottles, short sprays, everyone's invited. My under-sink chaos has officially turned into a zen zone. Every time I open that cabinet, I feel like I got my life together. At least until laundry day. So if you're tired of the cleaning supplies avalanche challenge, it's time for your own glow up. The under-sink organizer. Not all heroes wear capes. Some slide out smoothly. Hit that like button if your under-sink area needs therapy. And subscribe for more home fixes that boost your sanity.